Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard the Sea Ray 2021 250 Sun Deck Outboard. She's powered by a 250 horsepower Mercury engine, and one of the first things you'll notice about this boat is all this room and space you have here on your swim platform with the sea deck. Tons of space, as well as plenty of seating. This backrest is adjustable, and that's not the only cool thing about this seat. On the port side here, you'll notice those tracks. That allows this entire seat here to move backwards, taking up some room on your swim platform, but allowing for all that extra space here in the cockpit. Again, great seating. There is, of course, storage underneath the seating. The boat has plenty of adjustable backrests so you can face any direction and entertain your guests. On your starboard side, you have your cooler storage right behind your helm seat, which also has the adjustable backrest. And at your helm, you'll find your Fusion stereo, your Simrad screen, your throttle, switches, and of course, cup holder. You'll notice Fusion stereo speakers all throughout the boat, as well as the stainless steel handling, stainless steel bimini top, and bringing you into your cabin, you have your head, some additional storage room, plenty of space. So we make our way up to the bow. Again, you'll notice all the seating, stainless steel rails, the Fusion stereo speakers, cup holders. Very, very comfortable boat. Storage under all the cushions. Another spot under that middle cushion for your cooler. And of course, the boarding ladder here at the bow. Make it easy to get on and off from the beach. Again, this is the Sea Ray 2021 250 Sun Deck. For any additional info, any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 508-320-3350. Thank you.